Good morning. Ramirez, good morning. Kai's, good morning. If y'all could let me know, I made some more adjustments to my audio. If y'all could let me know how it sounds, if I sound still if I sound loud still, crisp, if y'all could let me know, that would be much appreciated. Made a few minor tweaks. What up, Sophia? I know Friday's stream, we fixed it to an extent to where I was a lot louder. So hopefully the tweaks I made this morning are okay as well. Gino, good morning. Mickey, good morning. Javier, good morning. Sound is good. Nice and loud. That's what we want. Well, the markets woke up on the wrong side of the bed this morning, chat. Markets woke up on the wrong side of the bed this morning. Because we have sold off. Avi, good morning. Hopefully I said your name right. I swear I probably butcher so many people's names. If I butcher your name, my bad. I don't mean it. Just to show you guys, I did go into a position long before I started the stream. I'll show you here. You can see that I am long down here. Kind of just waiting to see if we get a pop out of this consolidation range, like around 420 or so. See if we can get out of that. But I am long 2 micros, nothing too heavy. Little pre-market trade. We'll hold it into I have a pretty tight stop on it though. We're not going to let it sell off too much at open here. If the open wants to get heavy, we'll get out of it pretty quick. Steve, good morning. How was y'all's weekend, man? What'd y'all do? What was the weekend like for you guys? Seamus, good morning. Oak, good morning. Happy Monday. Market is open, chat. Market is open. Kind of chopping around, seeing if we can break out of 420. Or we just chop it all the way down to 360s or so. Which looks like that's what we're going to do. What up, Bo? Gotta tell you, I'm bursting right now. Came with a new strategy, crushing it right on ice. Love to hear that. Love to hear it. Hang on, chat. I need to change something in my NinjaTrader that's driving me absolutely crazy. I can figure out how to change it. G-Man, what up? See, maybe it's on my chart settings. Give me a second, chat. Trying to figure out how to get rid of something on my chart. I'm already kind of chopping off open here. Not really doing a whole lot. There's a little bit of selling. Hang on, chat. I'm still trying to figure something out real quick. Give me just a second here. All right, whatever. Oh, can you, Joey, can we get some house music up in this beat? I've tried music before. It's usually a mixed bag between people that want music and people that don't. And so I decided that just to not do it in general. But also, like, I hate the fact that it demonetizes me, even if I do like non-copyrighted music on YouTube. It still demonetizes me for whatever reason. So I just choose not to at that point. Sellers are still in the building, chat. Although I'm not overly confident of a just continued sell-off all day long here. It's Monday. It's no news. I mean, I don't really feel that we just get a massive sell-off today, but I guess we could. Never really know. Pretty wild that we had just sellers kind of come in on a no news Monday and just melt this down. Anybody catch a sell off on open there? Was anybody catch that short? Well, not open, but pre-market. Anybody catch this pre-market stuff? No, I didn't either. Scary time of trade. Yeah, it is. You're not wrong. Not wrong. We do have. Let's see. Hang on. Let me check something real quick. Do we have PMI today? Yeah, but it's not like a red folder, so we're good. We're good. What a buyer subbing up here. Chat, what's the plans for New Year's? Talk to me. What are y'all doing for New Year's? Not working. It's always good. Nobody wants to work on New Year's. I'll just be hanging out at the house, chilling with my boy, my wife, doing nothing, just chilling. Probably get a glass of champagne or something. Little something something. Gino short since 440. Close at 341. Nice. Good trade. Good trade. I still do have a cough. My cough has not gone away. I don't know how to get it to go away, to be honest. I feel like I've had this cough for like 3 weeks now, and it's just killing me. What am I looking for on my setup? Depends on what setup I'm trading. If I'm trading initial balance, I'm looking for failed auctions where we fail the initial balance high or low. Or if I'm momentum trading, I'm just looking for some good key levels to get in on momentum plays. Pretty simple. Pretty simple strategies. Or if I trade reversals, I'll look for like reversal key levels for price to reverse, and then look for confirmation reversals, and we'll trade those. So it kind of just depends on where price is, the day, overall with what we're doing. A few different things. Opening range breakout equals initial balance. No, initial balance is first hour of the trading session. More sellers. Market is in sell mode. Yeah, I've noticed good traders do whatever the market wants done. I just like to go with the market, man. I just like to go with the market. Unless I'm playing reversals, obviously. Then I look for areas to go the opposite direction. But, you know. Sellers woke up and chose violence today. Literally. I mean, we've just been in melt off mode pretty much since what, Friday? Yeah. Been in melt mode since Friday. Seems to be really about putting thousands of hours into watching charts so that you get a good feel for what's happening next. I mean, yeah. I mean, you especially if you only trade one instrument and you stick to one instrument, then you just kind of get a pulse for how it moves. We're actually at an interesting level here. Could be an area to catch a little bit of a recovery bounce. We've caught buyers down here before. You're long for a little move. Sellers are still choosing violence. Didn't expect the market to start dropping so hard. Yeah. It pre-market just felt like knife. We'll be a little bit of a short stream today, chat. I got a lot of things to do, like mid-morning. So we're just here for a good time, not a long time. You know what I mean? Don't cheat us on the stream. Sorry, I got priorities that I gotta take care of today. Important stuff. Classified stuff. Price is moving slow. Holy moly. There's a little pop. Only 5 likes, 97 watching. Yeah, we do have a lot of silent viewers. I've noticed that about a lot of streams. There's lots of silent viewers that tune in, which is fine. Happens all the time. Yeah, it does. Concentrating. I mean, people tune in. I mean, we get viewers. They're just silent. That's okay. Thanks, Joe, for the update videos about profit and real changes, of course. course. Waiting for a setup here, chat. I mean, we're kind of, price is moving pretty slow right now. We could see a bit of a reversal here. We're at a good level for it. I'm just not overly confident yet. They just want to hear me while I trade. They want to hear me coughing. My voice is probably going to go out here in like, I don't know, any minute. Thing is, though, it's like I'm not even sick. I just have a lingering cough that I've not been able to shake for like 3 weeks. You need a buy setup. My mind won't let me short after I miss that drop. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough when the move's already gone so far. Ismail, what up? Yeah, if you guys haven't already, man, we got 85 people in here. Let's smash that like button. Let's get the likes up on the YouTube channel. Tell YouTube, be like, yo, I like this dude. Those likes help more than y'all may think. So be sure to smash that like button with some serious authority. Some more sellers coming through. Still don't see anything I want to take yet, so we're kind of just waiting here. I do like this general area to catch a reversal off of, but it's so it's so wide that I don't want to chase right now. Honestly, 220, we're about 100 points away from there. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's where we're at right now is just very, very tricky. It's a level that could bounce. I mean, if you take a look at like this here, right? You know, oops, drag this over. You know, we're at a level that could bounce, but then we also have a lot more room to the downside too. So it's like I'm not really overly eager to trade any direction right now. Last trade of the year, will we find a nice setup? I hope so. Pine Tree, appreciate you. Hope you had a good stream if you streamed or are streaming or trading. Jicola. Pinning home sales in 4 minutes. We're seeing a little bit of buyers trying to hold this down here. Still not overly confident. Probably just gonna sit it out and wait. Our market's closed for New Year's Eve day. They're open New Year's Eve, closed New Year's Day. Do you know if take profit has the option to log profits for the day or loss like Topset? No, I don't think so. Not that I know of. Daily makes me feel like we're headed down. 15-minute open range breakout already broke once to the downside as well. Yeah. Yeah, we're just, I mean, sellers have entered the chat. We just continue the drop. Again, this is just so, we have so much room to the downside. But we also are in an area that could reverse. And so I'm not overly confident to take a trade at the moment. Going with the trend, we'd be shorting. The trend is definitely down, but not really down to chase at the moment. It's Monday. You like that sellers have entered the chat? Yeah, they have. for shorts over longs, yeah. I mean, that is a trend. That is the trend. 283 up and you're done. Nice, SML GG. GG's. The entire Mag 7 is all red. You got Nvidia down. You got Tesla down 3%. They're trading 417. Amazon's down 2%. Meta down 2%. The whole Mag 7's down. Santa rallied my ass. Santa done left town, bro. I'm doing nothing. Made 300 in gold at 7:30, just chilling and learning with you guys now. Yeah, I mean, smart. Nothing to really do right now. I mean, unless you're in a short, just ride this thing out. $15 opening range, paying the bills. Hell yeah, love that. You always gotta love when bills get paid. Short ES, nice. And we're still dumping. Market's down 2%. That was an interesting 40-point buy up. Make that a 70-point buy up. just forgot about news. Yeah, you gotta remember that 9 o'clock news. Just a little pop off news. See if sellers continue to sell us down. Probably got about another 30, 40 minutes on stream here, and then I got to bounce, take care of a couple things. Kind of waiting to see if we get a setup here to take. We took a couple trades before market open. We're really just kind of waiting to see if what kind of setup we get here. Buyers trying to defend the 300 level. And again, just paying attention to, where we are here. Price could reverse literally at any moment in the middle of all of this. So I'm just kind of trying to see how price reacts with where we are. Again, I'm still not overly confident or eager to take a trade in either direction, long or short. I really just want to see how price wants to react in this general range before just hopping in a trade. It's 50-50. Could go literally just, it could go either way. I'm not really leaning more towards longs or shorts right now. You would think we are due for a recovery bounce. a 200 plus profit day with Tradeify. Just need to flip 5 more days, lock up a payout. Just lock it up now. Like, well, yeah, don't trade anymore. Shut down the charts. Shut them down. Keep it closed. All right, so the question is, are buyers going to defend 300 here? I'm trading micros, wise guy. I am not touching minis. Steve, just VWAP, or sorry, who asked that? Karimi, just VWAP. Spend my hardest discipline to shut down and walk away and get profit. Yeah. Take a little back from the market and bounce. It's like sellers trying to get us, keep us below 300. How many micros? Any plans if scaling? I usually start with like two to 3 micros and scale into a winning position. And there's a big jump above 300. And market's whippy. Decided no funded trades this week on the combine. Smart. That is smart. Try to get a little buyers here. How many accounts do I copy trade? I have 3 tick, 5 Tradeify, 1 per dia, and 1 personal. So what is that, 10? Buyers trying to step up here. It's a lot of buying. I mean, that's a Really large buy up there. Market is so whippy, bro. This is tough trading. If you're not trading micros, this is super tough trading. Have I tried elite trader funding? No, I have not. Buyer's still trying to come through here. All stocks right on the heat map. Yeah, it's a bloody Monday for sure. There is blood in the streets. Dan, good call on the January 9th date. I'm sure a lot of you guys heard that President Jimmy Carter passed away. Biden is holding a date on January 9th. It's a day of mourning, so market will be closed. There will be no market or trading on January 9th. He lived to be 100 years old, man. That's a long life, bro. The fact that you were president and dealt with all that stress and you lived to 100 years old, bro's a gangster. That's a long life. That is a long life. To live to 100. I'm happy for 75. Yeah, facts. Facts. John, I'm still just waiting. I took some trades pre-market, but I don't know if I'm taking trades during the open today. The market's very, very whippy, and I'm just not down to get wrecked on a Monday. Candles are massive. This 5-minute candle was from 282 to 356. Tick charts are useful today. I've never really traded off tick charts. I've only really just traded off either the 1 minute, 5 minute, and then I watched 30 minute, but never actually used tick charts. All right, sellers, we've come back down to that 300 level. Man, 300 is kind of the line in the sand, huh? If we can't stay above it, we may just go straight back down. 300's been a battle. It's been a really big battle. Trying to get back below 300. Trading 302. And do we sell all the way back off and go back down to 240? 240s rather, or 250s. Man. It's brutal out here. Well, I guess I was right about not being overly confident on a reversal or shorts because, I mean, what... we definitely didn't reverse, and we're still kind of chopping this at 290, 300 level. Not really doing much. Nvidia actually turned green on the day. That's wild. And they're the only one of the Mag 7 that's green. Hang out for a couple more minutes, see if we get a setup down here or not, but it's not looking great, chat. It's not looking great. I'm not a huge fan of PA right now. Which I guess to be expected. You know, we're coming into the New Year's. Markets close on the 1st. Really a no news Monday today. Think about it. Not much to really do. I'm honestly kind of shocked that we even got this sell off, to be honest. I really was not expecting a move like this for a no news Monday. Pretty wild. If we break 280s, we'll probably come back down, make new low of day, or at least test low of day at 253. There's that break at 280s. Trading 266, trying to go test low of day. Low of day incoming. Maybe. Oof, what a buyout. That's what I'm talking about, chat. This is why I just don't, I'm staying out of the market because I'm not a fan of these whips. These whips are insane. 30 points, just like that. 30 points, just out of nowhere. It's craziness. I guarantee people were just taking shorts there to try to catch that breakout to the downside on new low of day, and then just bam, instant 30 points straight up. Still in short, nice. I am in absolutely nothing. And haven't been in anything except for earlier. I'm just too nervous about this journal area to short inside of. It makes me nervous. All right, we about to form. Yep. Yep. Speaking of, need to turn that on. There we go. IB high is going to be about 417. 253 is a low. Pretty decent IB range today. Pretty decent. Price feels very indecisive down here. Very indecisive. And just found you. What's up? Welcome to the stream. Appreciate you streaming. How did you set up your 1 hour range like that? I always manually set it up. 1 hour range. This is the 5 minute. Are you talking about the initial balance here? If you're talking about the initial balance, I have an indicator that does it for me. And it marks like the 50% range of it as well. And then if we get a failed auction to the downside or upside, it'll mark that on either end of whichever we're failing. It's for sale. It's like, I think it's 15 a month, 14 a month, something like that. Really created for people that were like new to initial balance and have never used it and want to incorporate that into their trading arsenal. PA is starting to get boring. Again, a little pop of buyers here. Until they get slapped. Brutal. Chat, we may just go ahead and call it. I'm really not feeling this PA. I really don't want to trade it. I'm not feeling too confident in taking trades during all of this. This is kind of too 50-50 for me. I really don't have an edge that I'm trading right now today. So probably just going to go ahead and call it. See if tomorrow brings anything. But with that said, fam, I will be in Discord. If you want to get a account on Tradeify, use code JM or take profit, or really any prop firm. Really use code JM, support the channel. Helps me reinvest back into the streams and my community and do giveaways and things like that. So use code JM. And with that said, fam, I will catch you tomorrow live right here on YouTube. Hope you have a good